Today we're going to start working on something that I'm excited about, creating something that you can't buy in the United States. A small, modern, off-road motorcycle that's also street legal. I want to do this because it's the perfect size for Camera Girl. It'll be a blast to drive around and we'll be able to go everywhere with it, not just off-highway vehicle areas. So the first thing we need to do is get this 2017 KX100 up on a stand and start taking it apart. The reason I'm going to dismantle this almost brand new motorcycle rather than just adding the components I want
is to make your wife suffer.
No!
I have nothing to ride!
It's because its VIN number is only registerable for off-road. It won't work. I have an idea though.
All I can say is hurry up. I hope the people aren't too bored with 2 videos back to back of you removing plastics.
We're going to remove more than plastics with this one.
Are you taking everything off today?
We're going down to the component level.
I feel so depressed right now.
It'll be worth it. It will be worth it in the long run. Do I need to get you a meantime bike?
Yes.
Oh wait, now this is where things start to get tricky. See, I've got miscellaneous fasteners here that I don't want to lose. This one here, and I think these were for the fenders.
Some helpful folks have said you should give me the WR250.
You tried to ride the WR250. Can we show them the video?
We can show them. It was a short ride. I think this is taller than the KDX.
Slightly. You're going to have to put the other foot down so you can put it in gear over here. Ah!
I don't want to ride it.
I don't think that counts as a ride.
Well, no, it doesn't. It was an attempt. Want me to get that for you?
No, whoever put this together knew how to tighten things down.
Maybe they were mad at their wife.
There. Should pull out of there.
Think they're gonna lose it there.
Yeah, we should start taking some things off the front. I think it's a good idea to take pictures as we remove parts so I remember how things go later.
Trying to scratch it.
You're kind of emotional right now.
You're not being very careful.
You know, you said you had a certain affinity for the WR250.
Yeah.
Well, I have a certain affinity for this, and I don't really appreciate you taking apart a machine that works fine for another project.
You'll have to place your hand in mine and trust me.
I'm trying to trust you, but this is painful for me.
I like it that you care about your motorcycle this much, but I don't like to see you sad either.
It hurts me.
This might be a little bit too heavy for the channel. Hey look, I'm a motorcycle.
At least you won't have to clean the carburetor.
This is new territory.
Wow, the veins in your forehead are really popping today.
Good thing it's a voiceover. Better?
Yes.
Next thing you do is take off the swing arm. They tighten these bolts so tight in Japan.
That's because you used to untighten the bolts of the old shade tree mechanic. There's that vein.
I'm going to try to pull off this thing as an assembly, and I think if I remove the top bolt of the shock absorber, the swing arm pivot, and 2 bolts underneath, the whole back end will come off at once. Okay, that should be it. Hold on to the frame.
Oh,
Or almost forgot this thing. Now it should come.
well, there's not much left on it.
Yeah, I'll just take off the carburetor.
More carburetor action, please. We never get to see enough carburetors.
This is a float bowl, and this is a needle valve, and this is all the garbage in there, and this is me taking it apart for a 10th time because I don't do a thorough job.
Wow, smells like varnish.
I think this motorcycle is magnetic. Look at all the tools that just were attracted to it. Ooh. I don't know where this goes. It goes over in the pile of parts. That's where it goes.
Oh, of course.
And for my next trick, I'm going to try to take out this engine without draining the coolant, which means pulling out the motor and the radiator as a unit.
was trying to get away.
Do you hear that sound?
Yes.
That's the sound of the KX100 crying.
Is it trembling?
It is. It's afraid of you.
Should be. Okay. Let's see if it comes apart. Yeah. So that's it. That's a light engine.
You're a light engine.
The motorcycle is apart. Thanks for being strong, Jen.
I tried.
Next video, we'll set this frame aside and have a new beginning. Thanks for watching.